Hi, I'm Emma. Let's practice morning routine together. I wake up early. I wake up early. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. Grace Tots. I have to meet with stores. Greats. I look in the mirror. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I put on my dress. I put on my dress. I put on my dress. I tie my shoes. I tie my shoes. I apply some lotion. I apply some lotion. I drink some water. I drink some water. I make some coffee. I make some coffee. I make some coffee. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I check my phone. I check my phone. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I wear my hat. I wear my hat. I wear my mask. I wear my mask. I grab my keys. I grab my keys. I leave the house. I leave the house. Great job today! See you in the next lesson.